Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll guide you how to create a snapshot in Google Cloud Platform, and I'll show you inside the lab in more details so that you can easily understand it. Based on your project requirement, you can implement it. Guys, let's get started. Guys, in this session, I'll guide you how do you create a new snapshot for an existing VM in Google Cloud Platform. As I mentioned all the steps here, you can go through one by one step. Then you can easily create a new snapshot based on a project requirement. I'll show you all the details inside the lab so that you can easily understand it, guys. Let's switch to the GCP console web portal page. I'll show you all the details inside the lab. Guys, as you can see here, this is the Compute Engine web portal page, and as you can see here, one existing Linux server is available here. The name of the Linux server is Snapshot Linux server. Now guys, I'll show you how do you create a new snapshot based on your project requirement. Guys, you'll go to the storage section first, then click on snapshot. As you can see here, click on snapshot here. As you can see here, guys, the create a snapshot button is here, then click on create snapshot here. Now guys, you can fill all the required information field for create a snapshot. Then first name of the snapshot. As I mentioned here, guys, the name of the snapshot as new snapshot. Then you can select the snapshot source type. This is a very important step, guys. If you have a existing VM, then you can select the disk here. Guys, if you select the snapshot source type as instant snapshot here, then if you have a existing instant snapshot available, then you can select here. Unless guys, you can select always disk here because you have existing VM is available here. So guys, the source you can select the name of the Linux server here, the snapshot Linux server. As you can see here, this is the name of the snapshot Linux server I selected as here. Then guys, the snapshot as the multiple type. As I said already, guys, the instance snapshot, archive snapshot. Based on your project requirement, you can select here, guys. Then you can select the multi-regional or regional as your location, but I default I selected as US, as you can see here. But if you want to select any one in other location also, you can select here Asia, Europe, based on your project requirement, guys. Now I hope so you can understand, guys, here. Then rest of the remaining field leave as it is, guys. Then you can click on create button here and wait a couple of seconds to create your new snapshot here. As you can see here, the new snapshot is creating here now. Guys, as you can see here, a new snapshot is successfully created here. Now guys, if you want to schedule snapshot here, guys, then you can click on snapshot schedule here. Then create a snapshot schedule based on your project requirement, guys. For an example, you can fill all the information field here. For an example, project schedule Sunday. Then guys, the region you can select your project region here. Then the multi-regional by default you can select here, or regional based on requirement, guys. Then guys, the schedule frequency is daily or weekly or hourly basis. You can select here. For an example, we'll select here weekly basis. Then you can select here Sunday 9 am to or 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. based on your project requirement, guys, and based on your is the team requirement and application requirement. You can select here. Then remaining field, guys, you leave as it is. I'll discuss deletion rule in the future session. Once I complete all the remaining field, then I'll show you again what is the advantage of deletion rule and how we can implement the deletion rule for your project based on your requirement. I'll give some idea to all of you. Then guys, now you can leave as it is as default, keep snapshot. Then guys, verify all the information field once again before you click the create button here. Then all the remaining field is sounds good now. Then click on create button here. I hope so, guys. Now you understand how do you create a snapshot schedule based on your project requirement. Then guys, click on refresh button here. Then as you can see here, this is a new snapshot, but this is your snapshot schedule, project schedule on Sunday based on your project requirement, guys. Then auto delete snapshot after 40 days, 14 days you can select it here based on your requirement, guys. But if you want to select for the 30 days, 60 days and 365 days also, I'll give some idea whenever just we'll discuss about the project session in Google Cloud Platform. Now guys, I'll show you how do you delete the snapshot. Guys, first of all, you select the snapshot here to delete the snapshot because you can avoid to the unnecessary bill. Delete snapshot here, guys. Then this is a simple step, guys. Just you can select the snapshot, then click on delete here. Now we'll wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here, there is no snapshot is available here, guys. Now similarly, guys, you can remove the snapshot schedule also here. Then click on snapshot schedule here, then select the snapshot schedule here, then click on delete, then click on again delete and wait a couple of seconds. Click on refresh. It might take couple of seconds more, guys. As you can see here, snapshot schedule deleted successfully here. There is no snapshot is available here now. Guys, see, there is no snapshot is available here now also. Guys, I hope so you can understand how do you create a snapshot and how do you create a snapshot schedule based on your project requirement. This is simple step, guys. I hope so you can implement it based on your project requirement. Guys, thank you and have a great day. See you in the next session.